Hi, this is Karen with WTI. The dilemma that I found myself when we were building our house, should I get the practical fan or the beautiful chandelier? And my dilemma was solved by finding this RuiWing Fandelier fan. I was pleasantly surprised that the fan is a really strong fan. It has three speed modes, and the strongest one really makes the airflow. The LED lights are really strong. It comes with three different modes, which is white, the yellow one, and the combination of the two. And the crystals on the chandelier, they are beautiful. They're mesmerizing. It's really nice to see them every day. And the fan is also beautiful, not just practical, but beautiful. And the blades become practically invisible whenever I'm not using the fan. It doesn't even look that it's a fan. And a chandelier, two in one. And the light is super bright. I don't need nothing else. And that's our point of view.